Today, we're going to be talking about the upcoming Nothing Phone 2. This phone has been generating a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. It's packed with some impressive specs, and it has a unique design that's sure to turn heads. The Nothing Phone 2 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market. It will also have a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. In terms of cameras, the Nothing Phone 2 will have a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 50MP telephoto sensor. It will also have a 16MP front-facing camera. The Nothing Phone 2 will be running Android 13 out of the box, and it will be supported by 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates. One of the most talked about aspects of the Nothing Phone 2 is its design. The phone has a transparent back that reveals some of the phone's internal components. This gives the phone a unique and futuristic look. The Nothing Phone 2 will be available for purchase on July 11th. It will be sold exclusively through Flipkart in India. The Nothing Phone 2 is shaping up to be a very impressive phone. It has a powerful processor, a great display, a versatile camera system, and a unique design. If you're looking for a high-end smartphone with a bit of flair, then the Nothing Phone 2 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. See you next time.